Hey guys, welcome back to Sister Stream, and today I'm going to be reading a book from Reading Eggs. And I'm so sorry I haven't posted much since 2 years, but today I'm going to be posting more since it's summer break. And yes, we did change our name, but because we wanted to make a new start, and we're going to post more. Okay, let's start. Let's write fantasy. Okay, let's see. Winnie the Pooh, Ray Gets It, Space Kids. Ooh, should we read The Pirates of Oyster Bay? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so what's special about these books is that at the end they always have a little quiz for you to get it to do, and it's really fun. Okay, let's go read this book. The Pirates of Oyster Bay. Okay, let's start. It was a cold, dark day, and there was a problem in Oyster Bay. It was a big problem. Kit's crew were annoyed with her. She needed to pay them, but there was no gold left. She had spent it all on holiday. 2 days to my holiday. It's right here. Okay. Ahoy there! I'm sorry, but I can't pay you today, said Kit. How about after my holiday? No! Shouted all of the crew. Pay us before you go away on holiday, or we won't be here when you come back, said Tom, the cabin boy. It says here crew rights. Kit huffed and puffed and was annoyed. There was no way out of this. She needed her crew to stay, but she had no gold. Okay, you win, said Kit. Now she just needed to think of a way to pay her crew. But what with? How can I pay my crew, Pip? Asked Kit. I used all of the gold to pay for my holiday. I'm pretty sure this little bird is Pip. Okay, oysters, said Pip. Pip loved to eat oysters, and she loved to drop them on Kit. Ow, said Kit. The next day, Kit had a plan. It was a clever plan that had come to her last night. Kit had no gold, but they were in Oyster Bay. So instead of gold, she was going to pay the crew with... What? Guys, can you guess? Oysters, said Kit. Oysters? Asked the crew. Oysters, said Pip. The crew did not look pleased. Are they golden oysters? Asked Tom. They may not be golden, but you can munch on them and hurl them and even play with them, said Kit. The crew had lots of fun playing with the oysters. So, what do you say? Asked Kit. Can I play with you? Can I pay you with oysters? Well, they are fun to play with, said Tom. And they taste good too, said Bob, with his mouth full of oysters. Such a funny picture. It looked like the problem had been fixed, and Kit was pleased. Now I can go on holiday, she said to herself. But just at that moment, Pip appeared, and she looked like she was up to no good. No, Pip, said Kit. Oysters, said Pip. Pip picked up the bucket and took it away. She dropped the oysters all over the ship and across the bay. There were oysters in the sand and oysters up the path. There were even oysters in a little boy's hair. Oh no! They were in the crow's nest on the poop deck and in the toy box, where there were oysters all over the ship, and now they were all destroyed. Our payment, said the crew. They were annoyed. What will you pay with us now that there are no oysters left? Asked Tom. There was no gold and there was no oysters. What was Kit going to do? This was delaying her holiday, and she wanted to go. Oh my god. Okay, but then she had a plan. This plan was even better than the last one, and she could go away on holiday straight away. Okay, crew, said Kit. I'm going to pay you all with a holiday. You can come with me. What do you say? Hooray, said the crew. That's even better than gold, said Tom. So, Kit and her crew left for a faraway land called Spar. Oh, what an interesting name. Kit, Tom, Bob, and the rest of the crew did lots of relaxing in Spa. The crew all enjoyed themselves, and they all felt like kings and queens. This has been the best holiday ever, and there is nothing that could spoil it, said Kit. Oysters, said Pip. Oh no, said the crew. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the book. Okay, guys, now we're gonna do the quiz. Let's start. Okay. Why does Kit have no gold left? So these are the answers. She spent it on a holiday. She gave it to the crew. She spent it on oysters, or she spent it on Pip. So if you guys want to play, then you guys can write the answer down on a piece of paper. So the answer is she spent it all on holiday. Yay! Next. How does Kit's crew feel about not being paid? Okay, so these are the answers. Like kings and queens, happy, clever, annoyed. So guys, write that down on a piece of paper. Okay, let's see. They are annoyed. Yes. Okay. Which word has the sound oi in it? Okay, let's go through the words. Shouted, sorry, annoyed, or holiday. Guys, write it down. Okay, so it's annoyed. As you can see there, it's an oi sound, so it's annoyed. And also, guys, if you need to see the answers, you can move it around and then go back to the page if you forget. Which word is a way of eating food? Play, munch, pay, or hurl? Munch. Good job. Okay. Which word starts with the oi sound? So which one starts with oi? Boy, oysters, ahoy, enjoyed. So wait, so all of them have oi in it, but look to the question carefully. It says the oi sound, which starts. So which one starts? Oysters. Yay. Okay, next. Which word means to put something off until later? Holiday, destroy, delay, or plan? Let's go with delay. Yes. Okay, which word ends with the A sound? Last, far away, crew, or plan? Yeah, I think this might be a little bit easy. It's far away. Yay. Okay, where do Kit and her crew have a holiday? In Oyster Bay, in the toy box, Spar, or on the ship. So you guys can go back to the video and see where we saw the answer. So the answer is Spar. Okay, next one. What does the crew think is better than gold? Pip, a holiday, Oyster Bay, or golden oysters? So again, you can go back to the book where it said the answer and if you need help. Okay. The answer is a holiday. Yay. Okay, now the last one. Who felt like kings and queens? Pip, Tom, the crew, or Kit? Let's go back to the book because I might have forgotten that one. Okay, let's see. The crew all just doesn't like the. Yeah, they all felt like kings and queens. Okay, so it is the crew. I had to check for that one myself. Check. Yay! Okay, so after all the quizzes, you get one little you get this card stuff. So you have to press on a prize and they give you a card. So wait, this is what you mean. This is what I mean. Okay, so here you can choose your new trading card, so reward. So here is my reward. So I can choose from Fantastica, Beastie, Animalia, Astrotech, Starstruck, or Worldspan. I'm gonna choose Fantastica because it's really pretty, all the cards that I have. Let's see what I get. Ooh, I got Storm! It's so fun to collect these little cards, so I do really recommend you reading eggs if you love reading books. And I love reading books. Okay, let's close. So guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope to see you next time with more fun videos. And you guys, please subscribe and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!